everyone, welcome back to your channel Shiva's Case Tarot. I'm your tarot card reader and healer Charu. I hope you all are doing fine. So in today's reading, I'll be looking at Capricorn zodiac signs. So if your sun, moon and rising is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. And I'll be looking at next 2 weeks predictions for Capricorn. So without any further delay, I'll start the reading. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then I request all of you to please subscribe to Shiva's Case Tarot. Subscription is free and it is a kind of energy exchange from your side for this reading. So I'll start the reading and see the predictions for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising for the next 2 weeks. So it's 2 of Swords, 3 of Wands and 5 of Wands. So I picked 3 cards to check the general energies for Capricorn for the next 2 weeks. The cards are 2 of Swords, 3 of Wands and 5 of Wands. So 2 of Wands card shows that this period of 15 days may begin with some kind of indecision or a situation where you will be weighing different options, but you don't have yet enough clarity or idea to choose. You will be having some kind of inner conflict within you, because if you look at the picturization, this lady is holding 2 swords, which shows 2 different paths or choices in front of you, and you are blindfolded. So she's unable to see, so she's unable to make the decision and she's very confused. But in that case, it's advised when 2 of Swords card comes, it's advised that you should always follow your intuition, your inner wisdom, your inner calling, which path to choose if you are unable to make a decision. 3 of Wands is all about progress, expansion, growth. After that pause, the energy is shifting towards looking ahead. So this card often points towards planning, expansion, waiting for results or exploring different opportunities. It suggests that you should have a broader perspective and you should think about your long-term goals. 5 of Wands is a final energy which indicates some kind of competition, some rivalry, some difference of opinions, conflicts, some challenging situations around you. So it could mean that it doesn't mean that there is going to be competition of the people or competitors around you, but it could also mean that you have to you'll be dealing with multiple demands at once. This for Capricorns, I would advise them that they should not stay in the 2 of Swords energies for very long, which is all about indecision, because when the next card is 3 of Wands, which shows that if you take initiative, then you are going to grow and you're going to expand, and that growth or that expansion may require navigating some kind of competitive environment, rather than just waiting for some perfect conditions. So even though the conditions around you looks very competitive and very conflicting, but you should forge ahead, you should keep on progressing, to achieve that goal. So this is how your general energies looks like for the Capricorns for the next 15 days. The career energies, how your career looks like. 3 cards to check the career energies for Capricorn. Queen of Cups, 9 of Wands, Knight of Swords. 3 cards to check the career energies for the Capricorns. The cards are Queen of Cups, 9 of Wands and Knight of Swords. Starting with the Queen of Cups card, this card is pointing towards a strong intuition and emotional awareness in your work life. So it shows that, as the Queen of Cups card is all about intuition, so it shows that your intuition is going to be very high you will be highly intuitive in the next 15 days. So you will be able to have a good sense of the people, about the unspoken factors which is affecting a particular situation. So um, so it is advised here that you should trust your intuition, your judgment, especially when something feels right or wrong. This can also indicate that you will be getting support from a compassionate colleague, manager, mentor, or client in the next 15 days. And it is, I also see you very emotionally stable, and in the energies of nurturing and empathy towards others, especially at your workplace. In the next 15 days, that's what I see. Nine of Wands is the next card. This is a card of resilience, about determination. So you may feel tired from a long effort, some kind of ongoing project, or some job search, or some kind of workplace challenge, or some kind of repeated obstacles at workplace. But it also shows that you are very close to the finishing line. Um, because after 9 is a number 10 card, which is all about completion, so almost at the finishing line. So this card is encouraging you to maintain the boundaries and not to give up just because you feel that the progress is very slow than you expected. So just have that perseverance, that determination to keep going, and to show your strength. Even if challenges are coming at your workplace, obstacles will be there, but you are almost there. You will be able to, and you should not give up at this moment. Knight of Swords is the card which brings the fast moving energy. So the swords is all about communications. I see that some kind of communication, some interview calls, or there going to be some negotiations or decisions or presentations, or some kind of sudden opportunity could arise in your at your workplace. So the Knight of Swords acts very quickly and directly. So in career matters, this often suggests that momentum, that energy is coming after a period of waiting. So this can indicate for Capricorns that a career matter that have been nurturing or worrying is about to move forward. Nine of Wands suggests that you have already invested a lot of effort into something, and the Knight of Swords is suggesting that the next step may happen very quickly once things will start moving. So I see that in the coming weeks, it could be a job opportunity or a project which is going to gain momentum. You may need to make a decision about some kind of endless deliberation, or your persistence about something. It could be anything related to your work is going to pay off. So it is a very proactive career spread. That's what I see for the next 15 days for Capricorns. Your finances, how your finances looks like for the next 2 weeks. So 3 cards to check the finance energies, the finances for Capricorns for the next 2 weeks. 3 cards to check the finances. Okay, 8 of Swords, Ace of Swords, and 6 of Wands. I picked 3 cards to check the finance energies for Capricorn over the next 2 weeks. The cards are 8 of Swords, Ace of Swords, and 6 of Wands. 8 of Swords is a card which shows that you're gonna feel restricted, worried, or stuck with regards to money. There may be anxiety about finances, uncertainty about how to improve your money situation, or there's going to be a tendency to focus on limitations, feeling trapped, that mental imprisonment, or some limiting beliefs. So the 8 of Swords card indicates that situation is not as trapped as it appears. So some of these restrictions with regards to money or finances is coming from your inner fear, from your mental imprisonment. overthinking or not seeing all the different available options. Ace of Swords is a breakthrough card, so this card brings clarity, some mental power, some truth or new ideas. So financially, this can represent you will get that new strategy for managing your money. Some You will cut away unnecessary expenses, or a new opportunity will require some kind of clear thinking. You can receive some important news. So that's Ace of Swords card, and Six of Wands is a card of recognition, success, achievement. So this often points to a positive outcome, some progress towards a goal, or feeling very confident and secure after overcoming challenges. So it is not a sudden wealth card, but it suggests that improvement is going to come. And so the combined message here with the three cards shows that this spread is suggesting that a practical solution will emerge. With regards to your finances, one should stop focusing solely on what's blocking you or your victim mentality. Ace of Swords is a key card here, which indicates that some kind of information, a conversation, or a plan or decision is going to help cut through that confusion. So maybe there's going to be a payment, an offer, an approval, some kind of financial discussion that can bring some kind of clarity. Your recent effort may start showing some kind of visible results. Maybe you'll be able to identify a solution to a financial concern or a problem. So this is how your finances looks like over the next 2 weeks, Capricorn. Three cards to check how your love life looks like. So three cards to check the life or your personal life looks like. Three of Cups, Judgment, and Ace of Pentacles. Pick three cards to look at the love life for Capricorns for the next 2 weeks. The cards are Three of Cups, Judgment, and Ace of Pentacles. Three of Cups is a card which is associated with socializing, celebration, community, some kind of emotional support. So in love readings, this can indicate that you're going to meet someone through your friends or social events. There's going to be very relaxed interactions. You're going to reconnect with the people from your social circle. This card is all about happiness, about emotional openness, community card, celebrating the love within the relationship with the friends, with family. So it looks like that if you are single, then you're going to meet someone through your friend circle, through your relatives. So someone like it's a very happy card, which I see. Judgment is also a very powerful card. It is a powerful card of a realization, a rebirth, second chance. So this card often appears when there is a relationship which is reaching a point of truth and clarity. So if you're already in a relationship, then you'll be getting the clarity that that your relationship is reaching to a point of truth. You are able to see the truth of the person, and someone also, it means that someone reflects on the past and going to make a final decision about a particular relationship. You will gain a deeper understanding of what you truly want in your love. So Judgment card is all about honesty. So honesty is very important. When the Judgment card comes, it means you're looking for the honesty about a relationship, honesty towards yourself and with others. Ace of Pentacles is one of the strongest cards for new beginning, something which has a real potential. So in love, this can indicate that it may be a start of a stable relationship, a connection that is going to develop slowly, an opportunity to build something long lasting. So here for the Capricorns, the energies are very grounded. um, what I see is that there's going to be a friendship which is going to develop into something more with over the next 15 days. Maybe a past romantic situation is reviewed honestly, which is, and you will make a fresh start in that relationship. You are going to meet someone through your friends, work, networking, or some kind of group setting. Uh, this could also happen that a current connection can become more serious after important conversation or realization. So this is how your love energies looks like over the next 15 days, Capricorn. Looks like so health energies for the next 2 weeks for Capricorn. How your health looks like. 3 cards to check the health energies for Capricorn. It's 4 of Wands. Okay. Uh, 10 of Swords and 10 of Pentacles. Okay. Cards to check the health energies for the Capricorns are 4 of Wands, 10 of Swords, and 10 of Pentacles. So 4 of Wands is a card of harmony, stability, some kind of celebration. So it shows that you're gonna get some kind of support, some recovery from a illness or a disease, or you're gonna create a healthy foundations in the next 15 days. You are going to establish healthier routines, some exercise routines, or eat healthier eating habits, or you will be getting support from your family, community, some healthcare providers. 10 of Swords is a card of loss, pain, that ending. So it can point towards some kind of mental exhaustion, feeling overwhelmed, or some kind of stressful situation or a habit which is no longer sustainable. So here the need is to let go of something which is draining your energy. So the key message here of the 10 of Swords is that the worst of a cycle is almost ending and the new chapter is going to begin. So in the middle of 15 days I see you mentally exhausted, but it is almost like the end of something which is particular situation of your life, and then everything is going to start afresh, or new opportunities will be coming back into your life. 10 of Pentacles is again a card of long-term stability, security. So you're going to build some sustainable wellness habits. So you'll focus on the long-term health. So you'll get support from your family. Some emotional and physical stabilities are going to come again back into your life. So Capricorns, it indicates that the 10 of Swords in between may represent that you're going to realize that a pattern, maybe it's the stress, a lack of rest, ignoring your warning signs, some kind of unhealthy routine is coming to an end. And 10 of Pentacles is suggesting that you are going to benefit from making some kind of changes with regards to your health that are going to support your health over the long terms. Finally, I'm going to look at some tea leaves card to see what are the other messages or some guidance for Capricorn. Rat, someone working against you behind your back. So you have to be a little careful because there's someone who's working against you behind your back. So beware of the people. Don't trust everyone. Could be anyone from at your workplace, in your family, or someone in your from your friend circles with people. Scissors, disappointment in disappointment in some affairs. So again, this is another card which shows some kind of disappointments will be there in some affairs. Great worry over nothing's active cards coming. So you are just worrying about something which doesn't even exist. So that's what I'm getting. Great worry over nothing. Cup, you should accept valid criticism. So if someone is giving you a feedback or criticizing you, just accept it happily. tiger doing something risky, taking a chance. So you're gonna do something risky, some cracked cup, dissatisfaction with life. So you're gonna be a little dissatisfied with life. I don't know why I'm getting all these negative cards, but this is what is coming out. Dissatisfaction with life. Rainbow, the most difficult part of the situation is over. So you have to be a little hopeful now, because even though you are disappointed, unhappy, but rainbow cards is saying that this card is appearing and showing that the most difficult part of the situation is almost over. Vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. You have this card is coming again and again, that someone is working against you behind your back, or you have that depression, that anxiety, that people are uh, there's someone who's working against you, or there's this that anxiety is there in you. One more card, the last card, ring. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. So you are going to get married. If not married, then maybe some kind of collaboration, some partnership is coming for you the next 15 days. Kite, vacation, and you're going to go on vacation soon. Sit for the reading for Capricorns. I hope this reading will help all the Capricorn Sun, Moon, and Rising. If you like the reading, then I request all of you to please pay gratitude to the deities or the angels that you believe in. It is a kind of energy exchange from your side for this reading. So I will see you in the next reading with another zodiac signs. For now, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.